Oh my, doesn't this look ominous and scary? And oh my god, there's a skeleton and a skeleton, a skeleton, skeleton, skeleton! Right there. But it's okay, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna find out some forbidden knowledge, probably gonna shoot some guys, and then we're gonna shoot some guys some more, and then maybe shoot some guys with big shooting. Oh, I'm a beautiful... Hey, how you doing? Cat, what do you think about that? As I chainsaw you, you turn to goo. Are you still there? Okay, now you're not there. Gotta say, this is kind of a rude welcome. You know, they're always doing this stuff where they're trying to shoot you and things. I swear, it's just like, oh my gosh, guys, haven't you learned yet that the Emperor gonna give me a bigger protection? I mean, I don't even think your gods give you protection, right? They just say, hey, I'm gonna give you fun toys here. Enjoy my big, powerful tentacle. And once you have my tentacle, they can't wenticle against you. And then I go, and then they're, you know, deaded. Oh, hello. I mean, you would think that they would learn that they shouldn't yearn for tentacle burns, but then they get the tentacle burns anyway, and it's like, oh man, well, it seems kind of unfortunate for you, bud. Probably shouldn't have sided with them spooky chaos gods, I guess. But no, I wasn't happy working in the Manufactorum just because they worked me, you know, literally almost 24 hours a day. I didn't even really get to sleep, and, you know, they just loaded me up with stims, and I've been dying for most of my life. Ugh. No, it's okay, I understand. That's why we at the Rift Drakes treat people well, so that they don't rebel, and so that they can be cool and, like, have, like, a humanity. That's 2 keys I require. Oh, excuse me. You took a shotgun shell to the face. I must say I am fairly impressed with your ability to meet shield. So that's pretty good and cool. What's this? Big Space Marine lad? Ah yes, very, very big scary Space Marine lad. Although he looks like a, kind of reminds me of like the Dark Angel-y type. But I don't think I think this is the same planet that, oh yeah, no, this is the same planet that Space Marine took place on, so it's not a Dark Angel planet. Okay. I believe I have acquired just about everything that there is to acquire in this general vicinity. So, where do we go from here? You, Chaos. Not even a cool symbol. Not like my cool eagle. Oh, I guess I go up through here. Ah, yes. Not even like a cool eagle. It's like a bird, man. Let me tell you, birds, coolest. 8-pointed stars, droolest. Oh, yeah, you know. Excuse me. Any more angry boys down here? No? This is a nice little hidey hole. You could hide here for a while and be like, do 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 do, praise the Emperor, do 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 do, skull skull skulls, do 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 do. I love skulls. Oh no. I really do love skulls. I have a skull on my desk, and his name is Steve. Although he's not like a regular skull. He's like, you know, an ancient lich. So, you know, sometimes we have conversations and stuff. It's pretty cool. Bye. Bye. Thank you. There's a flamer over there. Oh, you can look. You can see the little demon eyes. Yeah, it's kind of far over there. Right, let's get a little closer. you. Oh, excuse me. Do. Wait, this looks... This looks very much similar to... I hit continue. Have I been... Oh, no, I think I played through this on Exterminatus. I'm like, this is very, very familiar. And then I'm like, why is this so familiar? And it turns out it's familiar because I played through this on Exterminatus. Do. I am a cat and I have very much speed. No record of power regulation currently, but I... Oh no. I have to commence a purging. As you do. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yes. What's up? What's up? Ah, one of those boys. Oh, wow. That was a frag grenade. That was still fairly effective. So that's good. I always forget to use my grenades. I swear they're like way more effective than I give them. Excuse me, sir. Than I give them credit for. So I should probably use them more often. There, you get to be special. That boy was. Ooh, hello. Ooh, hello. Give me all your flesh. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Wait. Why did the Terminator die? I mean, not that it's a problem that he died. But I only shot him a couple times. Or did things spawning on top of him kill him? Maybe? I don't know, that's weird. Hey. I'm just gonna keep going back to using this. Where's I gonna check? Oh, over there. It's weird to me that this is purge finished when... Oh. Yeah, there's still dudes left. You see, there's like still dudes left, and I could have easily died there, but it's like, nope, purge finished. Well, you say so. Oh man, I do have to admit, some of these areas don't seem like they're like the greatest design for the purge events, just because like it's really easy to get like lost and stuff around that one in particular. Okay, locked out. I don't think I can grab those. Sure, I'm missing a secret or something somewhere. It's fine. I don't need to acquire every single secret. Although I haven't acquired any secrets on this mission yet. That's fine, though. We're just gonna go forward. Maintain Disciplines. Assuming I can remember how to go back where I came from. This way? It's okay. It is this way. Good thing I have the navigation skills of a cat. Any secrets here? Oh, there was a secret here. Yay. That's good. I can use this later. Get the red key. Door open. The guy seems like he's not even really shooting at me, which is interesting. Oh, no, I think he is shooting. Ah. Anything secret? Secret recruit? You guys just saw me, or probably at least heard the Terminator die. I would not think you would want to, like, fight with me, but I mean, if you really want to fight with me, I guess I'll fight with you. If it's really the only way you want. I personally think you're kind of a... Oh, another purge event. Oh, sorry. I missed. Sorry, I missed. Oh, exalted flake. Oops, I walked right into that one. Ooh. What is this? This is weird looking. Oh, it's pretty though. Is that how heretics get more and more people into their little cults? It's just like their stuff is just kind of sometimes it's pretty looking, and it's like, oh hey, I like it's pretty. Let's see. I feel like there should be a health kit or something around here, but maybe not. That's fine. I don't need it right this second. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, man, we're good. Okay. Okay. Let's go up here to the next fight. Big fight. Big fight. Big fight. Ooh. Oh. Probably need to go for a heavy bolter on you, but that's fine. Goo is evil, goo is evil. Welcome to the goo, it's so very evil. Oh, okay. It's very pretty evil goo, though. So at least it's got that going for it. Although, I guess you could say that about, Slanesh goo, so, you know. Careful, yeah. You don't want to tell Slanesh her goo is pretty, because the next thing you know, it's just like, oh god, that was just like a hump in my leg. Oh wait, I think I saw, there was. There's a thick over here. And now it's dead. And now you're dead. Hello. It sounded like what angry cat noise is really. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, how you doing? Okay, now I'm gonna Nope. Wrong button. Oh, there we go. There we go. Purging the heretics. Look at the heretics now. They're dead. Hello, heretics? I know there's still somewhere you here, because everything's slightly red. And that means... Oh, there. Oh my goodness. What if... Oops. Oh, that's the wrong button. There we go. Ooh, thank you for the contempt. Excellent. Dead, 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 dead. Oh, that's right. We were looking for another key. I may or may not have completely forgotten that part, as I've been going through murdering dudes and been like, hey. Well, I guess it's not really murder when it's heretics. It's more like pest control. You guys probably should have just stayed quiet, and then I wouldn't have noticed you were there. And then in that case, I mean, like, hey, you can't die if the Space Marine doesn't notice that your fly is down. That's a lot of health and contempt of things. Oh my, that's a lot of blue horse. Give me all your contempt. What? Oh wait, I guess there was more than one door. Maybe, probably. I don't remember where the other door is. Ooh, maybe it's up here. Somewhere? No, it doesn't seem like it. Kali will guide me, it's fine. Okay. She will show me to the door. And then I'll put my little cat paws underneath it and, you know, go, meow, meow. I just thought maybe that could be a secret. Because otherwise it's just like a weird little extra area they built into the cathedral. I mean, not that, you know, Imperials wouldn't just build random areas into cathedrals that don't really seem to serve a purpose. I would totally see them doing that. Oh, I ran by it twice. I'm silly. Thank you. Hello? Hello? Whoa. It's a Lord of Change. That means that once I kill this thing, I get to say I killed a very large demon. A demon. my goodness. I'm assuming I can't. Yeah, of course I can't back up here and get health and things. It's silly to let me do it. He is a lot. Oh, he also burns me when I get too close. Okay, interesting. Maybe a little bit early to grab that, but it's okay. I'm gonna go up here and get this and this. Okay, let's see. So this guy is like a boss, I'm assuming. Let's see here. Give it a second, cool down a little. Oh, don't burn me. My burning seems to actually kill pretty fast too. Oh, that's probably a waste of a shot. I probably should dodge that. I'm silly. He has a lot of health. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay, load my save. Lots of screamers, which is annoying. That's okay. We're going to killeth, and thankfully we have respawn ability. Okay, so we're just gonna. Oops. Okay, so right there. Doing more damage when I'm closer to him? It seems like an odd. Well, maybe that makes. Actually, no, that does make sense, doesn't it? Okay, let's see. What's this? Oh, another crack grenade. That'll be good. Wish I had one of those cool big boy grenades. What is it? Switch into crack grenade. Now let's see where. I'm just gonna deal with this guy real quick. Oop. Oh, I don't know why I thought that he's like behind a pillar. It's okay though. Shit. Ooh, killed him. Nice. Let's kill the rest of these heretics before we leave, because I don't want them. I mean, we're probably going to bomb this whole Arrogant planet, but that's beside the point. Hello? Heretics. I feel like there's more of you around here somewhere. Maybe? Maybe not? Hmm. Oh, okay. Nice. I killed a gigantic bird of doom death. Its death doom was groomed in my womb. Whatever that means. Ugh. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you are ready to kill more heretics on the fly. Ooh. So that was like a mini boss, so I guess that's not even the real boss. I hope you're all ready for the real boss next time! Okay. Bye-bye. Remember, the Emperor protects and Mont Kali protects. And I love you all, and hugs. Bye-bye.